Hi, this is Crystal. I'm a Lessac master teacher sharing how I use the work, and right now I am taking a nice stroll and walk in the nature preserve near Depauw, which is where I'm teaching right now, teaching a remote Lessac intensive workshop. Oh, just enjoying what this little bridge has to offer me. Smelling something wonderful and allowing that to fill the bucket. There's nobody around. Hello. 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 Oh, some cars are passing. Hello on the way. Did you know that hello is a great familiar event for feeling the tone in your voice, for feeling the full tone in your voice? If you were just to enjoy a little hello, 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 yo, 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 the shaping of your voice, the shaping of the vocal tract, as you enjoy that feeling of the muscles moving into the lip, allows a resonant chamber to occur inside of your mouth. What would that be like if you were to play that right now? Hello, hello, hello. Play some different pitches on that. Hello, hello, hello. Can you feel how, when you're aiming for the resonant chamber to really be filled, for the quality of yawn space inside to match the pitch where you're at, what your lips do to allow that tone to really ping into the bony, resonating places of your face? Give that an experience, if you would. Hello! 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 Oh, 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 yo! Yo, yo! Hello! 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 Could you see how my lips were changing shape with the pitch? The higher the pitch, the more space and more structural lip opening you will have in order to feel the ping, versus the sound covering that tone. This would be an example of the tone being covered. Hello! My pitch is too high for that lip opening, so therefore the sound doesn't have as many places to bounce, and it can feel a little trapped, versus hello, 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 or a slide, hello. Can you experiment with some slides, allowing the lips to change with the pitch, to grow with the pitch as you taste and feel your way? This is how I amuse myself when I take a walk in the woods. Hello, hello, hello. Seeing some critters off in the woods there. Don't worry. That's all for today. Bye now.